So we are here at Seoul, where we would be releasing these baby olive ridley sea turtles. They were confiscated from an individual who had captured them this morning. Now, because they have just been hatched today, it is important that we make sure that they get out to sea. But there are a few things you must know. Number one, we must allow them to make the trip out to sea by themselves. Now, this will enable them to come back here 20 years, 25 years later and nest on these beaches. Now, this is a protected space where these sea turtles are welcome to always come and nest. So we are doing this to protect the future of sea turtles here in Nigeria. Now, it's important that people must understand that these sea turtles are threatened species and we must protect them at all costs. Now, join us as we do this and let's see these guys back out to sea. Yeah, I'm good now. Yeah, the energy, let's see. Oh, yeah, this